Hey guys, Nicole here again with Lavender Lush Cleaning. Welcome back to our channel. Today I thought it would be great to talk about air quality inside of the home and how to make sure that you have really the cleanest air possible. Now, if you live in a place that has a lot of pollen or a lot of really bad allergies during different seasons, this is going to be really helpful for you. And a lot of times we think that coming inside, it's just so much cleaner, the air is cleaner than it is outside, but that is actually not true. And so here are a couple of tips that we're sharing with you to help you improve the quality of the air inside of your home. So here in Utah, we have an inversion, a pretty bad inversion every single winter, where a lot of air gets stagnant and a lot of polluted air is just stuck here until we have really strong winds that can blow them out of our little fishbowl. And so there's a couple of things that we do to ensure that our family has fresher air inside of the home, and even in the summer if we have a lot of allergens in the air. So the very first thing that we're going to recommend is that you constantly keep up with changing the air filter in your HVAC unit. So if you don't know how to do this, you can look it up on YouTube. You can call an HVAC professional or ask a neighbor. It's not very difficult. You just want to get the right size and figure out how to install it. And you just want to keep up with that on a regular basis. The second tip that we have is to make sure that you are dusting from top to bottom, your whole house, and then also sweeping and vacuuming up all that dust as it tends to fall and settle back down. If you're doing this on a regular basis, it's really going to help to prevent the buildup of just all of those allergens and dust in the air, which also goes into your air ducts and can cause more clogging of your air filters. And then the last tip that we have is to get a really good air purifier. So we have a couple air purifiers in our home and we love them. You want to find some air purifiers with filters in them that have a pretty good filter life so that you're not constantly having to buy new ones. But I like to go through my air filters and just vacuum them out every once in a while, and I feel like this kind of extends the life on them. I don't know how true that is, but that's what I do in my home. The other thing you want to make sure is that when you buy an air purifier, that you know the amount of area that it can cover. Now, you don't want to get a tiny one made for a tiny room and then put it in your living room, assuming that it's going to take care of that large space. So make sure that you're getting air purifiers that are appropriate for the size of the room. That's all the tips that we have for today. I hope this really helps with cleaning the air in your home. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this content and you found it useful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you can get notifications whenever we release new videos.